Okay, so next job is to get these engine bars fitted on. I decided to go with the gloss black engine bar rather than obviously the chrome, and that's really only because the framework here is gloss black. The front forks are gloss black. There is a lot more gloss black on the engine itself, so I thought I'd go for that colouring as opposed to the chrome colouring. These simply locate into fittings at the top here, and then there is another fitting here, and then one on the other side. There are some plastic caps in there, so you do need to remove those first of all, and you'll see the threads inside there ready to go straight in. So this will be a pretty straightforward job. I don't anticipate any issues or any problems here, so let's get cracking, shall we? Okay, so let's get this bar in place. I'll try and position the camera so you get a little bit of a decent view of what's going on. If we can just hold that there. Okay, so in case of the first eyelet just falls into place at the top here. Okay, so that's the bottom bolts in place. Now one of the hardest parts now is getting this bolt here that goes through there, and then getting the nut on that bolt, which comes right through the other side here. And there isn't a great deal of space to get in there, so I think after all that's going to be a little bit more challenging. So let's have a few seconds and then we'll get onto it and see if we can figure that one out. Okay, so there's the engine bars in place. So the hardest part was getting this screw here, getting the nut lined up right at the very back inside here. It's quite difficult to get to it, but once you get it lined up, get a 13mm spanner onto it and tightens up nicely. So they're all in place now. Now I have got some highway pedals to go onto here. What they have sent me is a fitting kit to go on here, but then they have sent the rear, the same as the rear ones here. I don't know whether I actually like them, whether I should go for the gloss black, but I'm going to give them a go and then line them up and get them fitted on and just see what they look like on. I may change my mind once they're on, because they do match the back of the bike. So yeah, I'll get these highway pedals on and see how she looks.